Why do phone cameras have multiple lenses now? Not long ago, a smartphone had a single rear camera. It captured photos, recorded video, and that was enough. Today, most modern phones have 2, 3, sometimes even 4 lenses on the back. At first glance, it may seem excessive. Why would such a small device need so many cameras? The reason is not redundancy. Each lens serves a different optical purpose. Because smartphones are physically thin, they cannot rely on large moving glass elements like traditional cameras. Instead of one adjustable lens, they use multiple specialized lenses to achieve different perspectives and capabilities. In traditional photography, changing focal length requires moving internal lens elements or swapping lenses entirely. A single lens can zoom by physically adjusting the distance between glass components. But smartphones are limited by space. They cannot extend outward or house large internal mechanisms without increasing thickness. To solve this constraint, manufacturers include separate fixed lenses with different focal lengths. One lens may be wide-angle, designed to capture more of a scene. Another may be telephoto, designed to magnify distant subjects. A third may be ultra-wide, expanding the field of view dramatically. Rather than mechanically zooming, the phone switches between these lenses. This provides optical zoom instead of purely digital zoom, preserving image quality. Beyond focal length, different lenses allow for specialized sensors. Some cameras are optimized for low-light performance. Others prioritize detail. Some include larger sensors to capture more light. In addition, depth-sensing lenses or time-of-flight sensors can measure distance between objects and the camera. This data enables portrait mode effects, where the background is blurred artificially to simulate shallow depth of field. Because smartphones have small sensors compared to professional cameras, they rely heavily on computational photography. Multiple lenses provide more data for processing algorithms. When you take a photo, the phone may combine input from several cameras simultaneously. Software analyzes exposure, depth, color, and contrast. It merges this information to produce a final image that appears sharper and more dynamic than what a single small lens could capture alone. The addition of ultra-wide lenses also reflects changing user behavior. Social media and landscape photography often benefit from wide framing. Telephoto lenses, on the other hand, improve portrait photography and distant subjects. By including multiple lenses, manufacturers expand creative flexibility without increasing physical size significantly. There is also a marketing element. As smartphone cameras became a major selling point, differentiation became necessary. Adding more lenses signals technological advancement. But while marketing emphasizes quantity, the functional purpose remains grounded in optics and physics. A thin device cannot replicate the adjustable complexity of a professional camera lens. Instead, it distributes the task across multiple fixed systems. In some cases, multiple lenses also improve video stabilization and augmented reality applications. Depth mapping assists with object placement in digital overlays. Improved zoom enhances clarity in motion capture. Each lens contributes to expanding what a compact device can achieve. The shift toward multiple lenses is therefore a response to physical limitation and user demand. Instead of building one large adjustable lens, smartphone engineers build several compact lenses, each optimized for a specific task. Software then integrates their outputs. The result is versatility in a device that fits in a pocket. Once you understand the optical constraints, the design choice becomes logical. Multiple lenses are not excess. They are a practical solution to the limitations of size, physics, and image quality expectations. If you found this explanation interesting, the next story explores another piece of everyday technology that looks simple on the outside but relies on hidden layers of engineering inside. Click on the channel to discover more untold stories behind simple things.